T1P ครับ
T1P ขอเสียงเชียร์ให้มันเลยเร็ว Let's go
What's happening? This is not Map Splat, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button, blah, 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 blah.
Smash it. Whoa, all right. No battery. Hey, guys. It is Irish Sunday, and I just got to the Pattaya Extreme Fest. I'm at the cable park, and we're having wakeboarding championships today, part of the Extreme Fest going on. Last year I brought you skateboarding. This year I'm bringing you a little bit of wakeboarding. Let's go check it out. So this is all part of the Pattaya Extreme Fest that's going on down at the beach. Last year they had skateboarding, rollerblading, and BMX and the like. This year, down at the beach, they've included longboarding down Pattaya Hill, which I'm kind of bummed I missed. We just got back from Bangkok. So we stopped here on the way home, catch a little bit of some wakeboard action. So it seems like they got a pretty good scene going on here. I just got all my equipment. I'm going to start coming up here a bit more often. I'm going to start riding a bit more. Oh, looks like he's on a wake skate even. Oh! Skates. They make a pass through on the takeoff, come around, can hit rails on the back side and obstacles on the front side here. Haven't seen anybody make it past the jump yet. Well, he made it past the jump, he just didn't do anything afterwards. A little 3 off the rail. Let's see what he's got. Comes in, does a little varial, body varial on the board. Yeah, a little 180 tail grab. Let's see what else. Ooh. It's the bank ramp to the bank, to the rainbow rail. That guy's making some good hits there.
แล้วก็คอนดิ้งกลับครับคอนดิ้งได้ไปกลับครับวันนี้นะครับอันนี้เจอซ้ายเป็นออลิออนะโอ้ถูกมากโอ้ถูกมาก
Minute 3 off. Looks like we're getting into some wakeboarding finally, and starting with the women's, probably open class. I've seen this gal here numerous times since I've been here. Sounds like she's a crowd favorite.
I'm not Matt Splat, but I'm real close to Matt Splat, maybe a little better looking. And we're here on his channel. We want you guys to like, subscribe, follow the disaster known as Matt Splat, and let's see what happens.